Good morning. I am heading to breakfast. I'm gonna go meet up with my sister. I have to get my shorts because she packed my shorts from the Bay Area and I need to finally get them. But today we have another long and fun day. We are heading to a catamaran cruise. Love those. Don't know how to swim, but they're gonna have snorkel gear. So, morning. They're gonna have snorkel gear, so I'll be okay. If I have flippers and some like goggles, I'll be good. But we have the catamaran cruise. We're gonna eat and yeah, go around. So first we're gonna have breakfast and then probably hit the beach, walk around. There's a few stores that we wanted to check out that's near the hotel. So we're gonna check that out before we get our day started. End of an era. My sunglasses broke. I've had these for like 3 years. And we're going on a catamaran cruise today, so I gotta have sunglasses. Summer eats first today. Oatmeal, some veggies, roti, fruit. Same thing I ate yesterday, but today I'm gonna have ramen, so I'm excited. Okay, so they have like Kit Kat here, but it's called Take It. I mean, they also do sell Kit Kat regular, but I love grocery shopping in other countries. It's probably one of my favorite things besides luxury shopping as well. What else is cool here? Here's the beauty aisle. I think it's very interesting that they're foundations in like foil packets. I would love, some beauty products. Let's see what's good here. We quickly stopped at a grocery store, bodega. Got some snacks, mixed nuts. Yakult. What does Yakult do?
It's like a probiotic drink.
Oh, I need that. Oh, I chose this one. I don't know what any of these ingredients are. They're all in a different language. Spicy. Oh, fish chips. What is this? Another pound cake? Oh, an ube taro. And what is this? Vegetable barbecue something? Oh, extra barbecue. I'm gonna see which one's good, and then I'll buy more. Steamy glass because it's humid here, but torrential downpour going on right now. And I just threw on some makeup, so I think that was kind of worthless. Oh, there's a lot of people at the pool right now. I don't know if you can see. I don't know when this rain is gonna stop. Yeah, we're definitely getting on a catamaran today. This will be real interesting. This is a long dock.
Right?
When I looked out, I was like, I hope I don't have to walk that.
I literally found that.
Wow. Love a good catamaran day. Okay, leaving the hotel earlier, it was raining, cloudy. So I was like, oh, it's just gonna be a rainy day. Mind the gap. So I didn't bring a hat or sunglasses.
Oh no, you're gonna get burnt if you don't have enough sunscreen.
Oh, it's fine.
Seems like you lay down here and that's all you need.
All you need. And it just splashes you with water. You guys watched my Grease video. I don't know how to swim. Luckily, it's mandatory. You gotta wear a life vest.
I don't know how to swim.
You want my oil? Okay, we got to our, I think, snorkel location. There's these large bugs flying around. We made it. Hopefully I don't drown.
You will not. Hunter will save you.
Okay. I hope there's snorkel, like flipper guys for my feet, because that I won't drown with.
Really?
Yeah, the flipper guys keep me floating. Oh my gosh, look at that! Those bugs! I'm telling you, they're like red and black bumblebee looking guys. They're fuzzy looking and they're huge. There's like 18 of them over here. Got some like clear water, got some green water. What's up?
Pretty picture on here before.
Yeah. Safety first, folks. Get your life vest on. Alright, so while I was swimming, I felt like a bite on my shoulder, like a little tiny bite. And I've been stung by jellyfish before. And it wasn't until my sister was like, jellyfish! I figured out I was getting stung. Johnny, did you get stung?
No.
Lucky. Yeah, I got stung on my jellyfish. Just jellyfish. On my shoulder. And these towels smell so delicious. It smells like fresh laundry. Yeah, so I got stung when I was in Hawaii one time, swimming at night. Never do it. And I just remember something like wrapped around my leg and started biting me like ants, which I'm deathly afraid of ants. But yeah. Trish, you get stung by jellyfish? I got my shoulder, but it kept getting my shoulder. I thought it was like
the baby one?
No, it was probably a baby one. It kept getting my shoulder, and I thought it was like the life vest. And then a few other people said that they felt like they got bit. So now I'm inside the pool. I mean the boat. Right in the booty cheeks. Yeah, a jellyfish.
I have red welts too.
I have little tiny ones.
Well, remember when I said I think I touched something round and soft? I think it was a jellyfish.
Yeah, definitely got my shoulder.
Yeah, they asked for my name.
So we got off the boat. We're on a beach for about an hour. But walking on this inflatable plastic runway is quite the task. Boats. Mama needs a coconut. A little coconut. Coconut cheers. Coconut cheers. Yum. My faves.
Oh.
I'll give you guys $20 to jump in there. We're now leaving for Hung Beach. I did a lot of to watch the sunset, which is over yonder. Can't really tell. Oh, there it is. Woo! Sunset by boat side.
Perfect.
That's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Woo! Kapung kai. Oh, clink.
Oh, me, I got it. We did it last night. Thank you. Yeah.
Oh, there you go, little Cardi B.
Hey. Sunset in Thailand, baby.
One more?
So they are treating us with some champagne and some fresh fruit. The service, though. The sunset is killer. These clouds. Look how like cotton candy pink they are. Oh, I'm so red. Are you kidding me? Rainbow sherbet? Yes. Mother Nature giving me life. We're just out here watching the sunset. Here's the crew, here's the gang. And this is unreal. No filter. Oh, I feel a raindrop. What's going on here? We finished our catamaran cruise and they took a photo of us when we got on the boat. but I didn't understand what they were saying when they told me to take off my mask. But I got a cute little photo. Hello. And now we're eating literally right next to the loading dock for our dinner. Looks really cute. Oh my god, this is oh, yes. Oreo coffee.
Yeah. Je ne comprends pas. Somehow.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, pineapple fried rice. Where is she? Oh. Whoa. Dissect it. Looks like you need to dissect her. Oh my god, I'm so full, but they ordered us. What is this? Deep fried spring rolls, veggies?
You can try one of those?
Yeah.
I don't know what that is.
Mussels? Oh.
I don't know.
Like you thought?
Taro balls and hot coconut milk.
Yum. I'm just a real big fan of this tiny little metal spoon. This is the
Kevin does not know what he's walking back to right now.
He's in. Can we put it right here in front of it?
That's who it's for. Put it there.
I'm not picking it.
oh, there he is.
Grab it before he gets back.
Taro
It's the
balls.
They're hot balls.
Welcome to
The platter made it.
Yeah. Ooh. Okay, we just finished our all-you-can-eat food. I'm stuffed. My phone's about to die. Tomorrow's a long day. We're gonna see elephants. All right. Oh, and where's our bus? Bus, where's our bus? Say hi to my subscribers. What do you gotta say for yourself?
click and subscribe.
Click and subscribe. Hit the bell.